Hello everyone, we're back here in Established 2022 and God is doing amazing things. Right here with me I have another guest who's been a part of Established 2022 and God has done mighty things with him. So please sir, what is your name?
My name is Apostle Nixon Adati.
Nice to meet you. So how has this meeting been a blessing to you?
It's been a blessing because we've been able to be taught and the deeper mysteries of the kingdom, and the Church of Christ has been dilly-dallying around with the systems and formats that has been irrelevant in our today's church. So it's a type of opening our minds to the reality of the gospel of today, the kingdom of God in today, in our generation today, that we may become relevant, because some of the things which are structures our fathers built are irrelevant today. So we need to be to have a mindset of newness, mindset of being established into the foremost fundamental truths in the kingdom. The truth has been hidden like a cover, and now we need people who can unveil the truth, remove the veil from our eyes and our understanding, that we see the naked truth and the naked kingdom before our eyes, in true action, in true motion, and true manifestation.
Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. God bless you.